Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable HLG HDR on your GoPro Mission 1 Pro. So HLG, which stands for Hybrid Lock Gamma, if you want to enable it, first you need to force the camera into the 10-bit color depth. So what are we going to do is we're going to create a new preset. We want to make sure that we are in the video mode. Here we can easily go over and we can edit our preset, or we can just make a custom one. Now, as you guys can see, here we have everything. We want to make sure that our bit depth is set to 10-bit. It's easier to do that from the app, so make sure to just do it here. And we got the HLG HDR right here. We can turn it on, and as you guys can see, it's turned on just like this. It automatically updates. As you guys can see, now let me change something that you can see on the screen. The 60 numbers are frames per second. It updates automatically, so you don't have to worry about anything. And that's basically it. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.